Are you feeling low and do you want to feel better? Well, now there's a way that will not cost you anything at all by just moving some of your muscles. A recent study from University of South Australia, published in Experimental Psychology, confirms that when we forcefully practice smiling, it stimulates the emotional center of our brain called amygdala, which then releases neurotransmitters to make us think and feel in a positive way. Researchers analyzed how a covert smile reacts to our face and body expressions. In both scenarios, participants were asked to hold a pen between their teeth to induce a smile, forcing their facial muscles to copy the movement of a smile. They found both facial and body expressions generated positive emotions as they recognized active change in facial muscles. The finding has important insights for mental health, says Dr. Fernando Marmolejo Ramos, the research lead and expert in human and artificial cognition with UNISA's Center for Change and Complexity in Learning. This mechanism of tricking the brain into perceiving stimuli as happy can be potentially used in boosting mental health.
In this study, we aimed for having a sample from different places. So we had from 4 different countries. So one of the experiments we had from Stockholm, from Sweden, from Poland, and from Japan. That was the first study. The second study we had from Poland, Japan, and Spain. And that's how we could replicate the effects in 3 different locations, 3 different sites for both experiments. However, it's very important to make clear that even though we find something significant and it's interesting, it would be very nice in the future to extend it to the cultures, to different countries. And that takes time, but it's possible.
Dr. Fernando adds, when your muscles say you're happy, you're more likely to see the world around you in a positive way.
By the statement of the world smiles at you, well, it's a way to say that you tend to perceive things more positively when you are in that particular emotional state. But the same happens the other way around. So for example, by frowning, by inducing a frown, you tend to see negativity in the stimuli that are actually neutral.
Dr. Marmolejo Ramos, who hails from Colombia, aware of how things are in the Americas, believes that in the middle of the economic and health crisis caused by the coronavirus, we should still continue to smile.
We have to basically try to make the most of it. And our way to do that is basically trying to get ahead of the curve and just basically try to be positive despite the situation.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more Philippine news today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.